Here has to be one of our better selling models at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Two-door sport coupe or hardtop, if you will. Now you do see the SS badging on there. This would be an SS tribute, not representing this as any sort of true SS or with paperwork, but a very nice two-door hardtop Chevelle. Underneath the hood, 402 big block power. That is paired up with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Also power steering, power brakes. Power brakes have disc up front. Go ahead and take a look at the bright work in the grille. Headlight surrounds, let you get a good close look at the front of this car. There are also probably 80 to 100 pictures of this car on our website. You can find that at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too if you have any questions. 507-386-1726. Riding on 18-inch Boss wheels, front and rear. Car has undergone a repaint. It is painted black stripes on the hood. Paint is in nice condition. You may have some very, very small blemishes here and there, but overall, very, very clean paint on this car. And when I mean small, in the black, I noticed one little spot, say like that, where you had just a little bit of touch-up, maybe a little rock chip that's been touched up. But as you can see, overall, shows very well. This is one you can take any of your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, car shows. Be proud to drive this one. This one will turn some heads. Sounds good also. We're going to start it up here in a bit. Let's check out underneath the hood. Black vinyl interior, seat belts. Interior in nice shape on this one. Haven't noticed any rips, tears, any sort of major wear or anything like that. Of course, the center console with the horseshoe shifter connected to that turbo 400 automatic transmission. Also underneath the hood, you're going to find HEI ignition, ceramic coated headers. There's an Edelbrock intake and Holley carb. Electric fan, I'll show you where the switch is for that. There is a pull choke inside also for the Holley carb. I'll show you that when we get around and start it up. Take a look at the chrome in the rear, dual exhaust. Bright work in chrome is nice on this car, no doubt about that. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side. Again, don't really notice much for nicks, dings, or scratches. We're well cared for and maintained car. All right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. First of all, headliner. Did notice that is in nice shape. If I can keep the glare off here for you. Sorry about that. That is a reflection from that light. But yeah, headliner's up and in good shape. Played around with the radio. What would a 71 Chevelle be without a Pioneer Super Tuner in it? AM/FM cassette does work. Wipers work. Take a look at the door panels. Have carried over the SS theme throughout. Of course, bucket seats. All right, so down here, first of all, there's a fan switch. I'm just going to leave it on. It is wired through the ignition switch. There's a choke right here. We're not going to need either one of those. The fan is already on, so we don't have to worry about that. And the choke should not need it indoors here. We're going to start it. So easily it starts. All right, there's that Pioneer Super Tuner. Sorry about the glare. Bright here today. Aftermarket tack, as you can see on the center console, and that is working. Also oil pressure gauge and water temp. Fuel gauge is up here. Take a look at the top of the dash. No cracks, sun fading, anything like that. Top of the dash is in good shape. Whoops, sorry about that. Take a little closer look at the seats too, you can see them. Vinyl appears to be in nice shape. Just a little bit of wear there, but it's not a hole or anything. So just a little bit of wear on the vinyl. Wow, listen to this. So again, 402 under the hood. Does have a slightly oversized cam. According to the previous owner too, he wanted to mention, don't overfill the tranny. Leave it just slightly, low, a little bit below normal. Did have a note there just to let you know, so use this for future reference. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood pins out of there, pop the hood, and check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's that 402. Again, power steering, power brakes, ceramic coated headers. You can see that Edelbrock intake. Looks like a Performer. And then that is below a Holley 4-barrel carb. HEI ignition. You got 402 big block power paired up with that Turbo 400 automatic transmission. There you go, looking for a nice two-door hardtop Chevelle, 1971 model. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.